bear,
You want it? Yes? You want the stick? Yes. Yes.
Baby man, little baby, little baby man, little baby, baby man, little baby man.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Can I help you? What would you like today? A treat? Here you go. All right, have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
I tell you a secret. They say you're fat. I'm not fat. I'm fluffy.
Copper, I'm going to show you my new look in 3, 2, 1.
Do you want your pup cup? Sit. Haiku! Sing! Get out of there. Come here. Come on. Whoa! Haiku! Sing! Sing!
No, wait, hang on, stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it!
Gasp at your dog and see what they do.
Go get it.
Get out now.
Is that your beautiful baby? Is that your best friend? You love him, Ella? Say love you, Thor. Say good puppy.
Doing annoying things to my dog that he does to me. Barking when he's asleep.
Guilty dog trying to make up for destroying stuff.
What? You don't like me? baby girl. What's going on? What's hanging out of your butthole? Sit. Oh, cool. My underwear. A whole intact pair of underwear. Well, that's fucking gross. Feel better?
What you got?
Let me see it. Come on. Let me see it. Let me see what you have. Come here. Come here. What do you have, buddy? Can I have it?
Nobody said you were allowed to get in the pool. You can't just go in when nobody's with you. Oh my God, now I have to dry you off again.
Man, look at this fucking guy running. What the fuck are you running for? Somebody chasing you or something? Oh fuck, we're chasing him.
Up here taking down my lights, turn around. Ace climbs up this whole ladder by himself and is now on top of the roof.
Gasp at your dog and see what they do.